Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to read and write text file with Python. So let's open Spider, and here in the folder examples I have a text file, and this is the content of this text file. And now let's create a code to read content from this file, and I will put the code in the video description, so you can find the code that we use in here in the video description. So to read the file, first we need to open the file. Open, and then the file name is example text file.txt, and the mode we want to read, so should be R. If we want to write, should be W. Execute this F9. So we just create a file object with the name F, and we can now open it, and we can now read the content of this file using the method f.read. Here, execute. So we have read everything in the file, and we should close it after read the file. Why? Because if we don't close it, we cannot do anything with this file. For example, we cannot continue writing to this file, we cannot delete this file and do anything. So should execute this, close the file. What if I just want to read the first 5 character in here? I just put the number in here, 5, and now run again. F9. Here you see it just read the first 5 characters, then need to close it. So, and now what if I want to read a single line? Read single line. So everything is the same, but here should be read line. So I execute this line, execute this. Here I just read the first line. Execute again, I will read the second line. And again I will read the next line, the next line. And then at the end, I should close it. F9. So what if I want to read all lines? The same, but this should be with S. And now execute this. Here you see I just read all lines, and then I should close it. So what is the disadvantage with this method? Sometimes we forgot to close the file. So the good practice is that to use this command to read or write with the same here, open SF, and now I can read the content of this file. Let's assign it to a new variable named content app read. So if I execute this lines, it will read and then close. And then if you type content in here, you can see that it just read everything and then close the file. So, and for writing the file, we should do the same. So, write to a file here. So let's say I create a new one, my file, and the mode should be W, right? And I want to write, not read. What I want to write should be a character or string. Some text here. So if I execute this file, this command F9, you see it just created a text file, my file, and this is the content of the file. So if I write a number to it, can I write a number to it? Let's assume that the number 5. We cannot write a number. So argument must be string, not int. So we need to convert to string. 5. So now execute again. Open this file. So here's the content of the file. So here, if I use the mode write, it will, if the file exists, it will override to this file. So all of the content in that file will be erased, and then it will write this to the file. If I want to write, continue to write that to that file, I should use a append to that file. For example, now I want to write this number. Execute this one, and I see that it continue writing to this file. It not delete the previous content. So that this is everything about read write text file with Python. Thanks for your attention, and please subscribe to my channel to get update about my latest videos.